What's up guys, your boy Toasty. We're going to be installing the new DR970X 2-channel LTE from BlackVue. So shout out to my sponsor BlackVue for sponsoring this. It's going to be a really quick, easy install. I've already installed the battery on the bottom of the chair, so I'll show you right now. So the battery right there has been installed already, and so when the car is on, it charges this battery. It will last up to 30 hours. And when the car is off, it will drain this battery inside your car battery. So this is freaking amazing. So today I'll be unplugging the old one, which I have, also from BlackVue, and installing the new one. So I'll be unplugging one harness in there and connecting the new one, which is going to be in this kit over here that I'll show you. And then also right now, as you can see, I fell down. I have the LTE module right here. This is where I'll be getting the internet access, so I can access it live at all time, the 4G LTE. So I'll be taking that out. This right here on the right. I'll be taking that out, and I also have this that has fallen down. So I'll be taking this out as well, and then running the new one and connecting everything. So really quickly, I wanted to show you guys what I have in here. We have the DR970X-2 channel. This comes with LTE installed already, so we didn't need that module anymore. So here's the camera, the rear view camera, and then underneath, the manual, and in this box we have all of our harnesses. And then here we have our tamper-proof case. So I'll be installing that. I'll be taking this out, installing that over it, securing it so no one can take it out. So this is what I have plugged in. This is the battery. This is what's already been tapped into the fuse of the car. So this gives this power, and then this is what I need to unplug. This, and then we are going to fish out the wire, and then here we're going to cut the wires and then resolder a couple wires in here, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So I've already pulled out the wire that I have. So I ran through down here earlier, and I had it go in between, go underneath the seat to access that. So I'm pulling this back out. So I'll be ripping this part out. This is a 2010 Honda Accord, 2018 Honda Accord. And then I'll take this panel off, and then I'll have access to this. And then I have all the wires ran right here up to the A-pillar, and then from the A-pillar I have it just right on top to go there. Okay, so this is a little messy right now, but I have this taken out. I ripped that out. The wire goes all the way up here, and then as you can see, that's where I have the LTE module, and then everything gets onto here. So I'll be pulling it out from here, and then gonna pull everything out now. Alright guys, so I have everything plugged up already. The line is ran through here all the way down to the side, and I have it go all the way down to where the battery is. It's a mess right here right now, but I do have the rear camera that I plan on putting it through the passenger side. And so I'm gonna run it all the way up here and then run that all the way to the back. So I'm gonna have it installed like this, which is technically upside down, but it does give you the option to flip it vertically, which is what I'm going to do. I'm just testing everything out, making sure that everything works, and it does, which is freaking awesome. So I'll be doing that, and then this, I'll be mounting it to the back of my rearview camera, rearview mirror, like about right here. And then for extra security, I'm going to use the Velcro straps to wrap it along here so it doesn't fall off when it gets too hot. So I'll show you guys what it looks like afterward. Alright guys, so I have it installed. I put it to the back of my rearview mirror. I have a little Velcro strap right here that holds it in place in case the heat melts that back there. So far, everything is amazing. It's great. And yeah.